Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. And what we got here is the AC compressor. Just did the oil cooler unit in the housing. Check out that link in the description. So the AC compressor, I got it running. It's making noises. Alright, that's the compressor. And the AC is on, but the clutch is not moving.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take off the intake hose. We got a flathead or 8mm right there, and we got the connector. Alright, we're gonna have to take off this belt. We got our tensioner right here. I'm gonna put a 3/8 ratchet in there. Take out this air box right here. Once you take out that 8mm, pull up on it. Got access to those bolts. Alright, we get that connector out. Pull up on the red tab, press the black tab in, pull it up. Now your AC, your Freon, should be extracted. You need to do that. Take it somewhere to a shop and they can extract it for you. And once you get that done, start hitting these bolts here. 1, 2. And getting the AC lines off. 13mm bolts holding those in. So these two up top are 13 mils, two at the bottom, 13 mils, the same. That's what we're looking like. And that's the top bolts. They're long, and then we got these nuts for the bottom. Go ahead and take them out. We got them out. See what else we need to do. Alright, so we're gonna need an E8 on that bolt. See, this bolt is so long that you won't be able to take the AC compressor out this way. And that's those bolts right there. As you can see, it's got that E. External drive. Alright, now we can come on out with it. I put that bolt back in there so it won't just fall. Alright. It needs some valve cover gaskets bad. It's been leaking all down the sides. It says this compressor here is pre-charged with 3 ounces of oil. So let's get it, reverse order. Alright, we in there. Gotta hook up these lines. Got everything hooked up. All right, now what you want to do next is put a vacuum on it. You want to get the air out the system and make sure there's no leaks and the Freon does hold and whatnot. So you can check that in the description. It's a link. It can show you shows you how to do that in a repair that I did on a Benz. Now the AC condenser needs to be replaced as well when you're doing this, but we're gonna hold off on that one. And I'm gonna go ahead and recharge it. And that belt is back on. That's the low, this the high. Waiting for it to kick in. There it is. Oh yeah, we cold now, blowing snowballs. And that wraps it up, man. AC compressor is complete. Hope it helped out. Make sure you give a video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Keep me in that algorithm they got going, man. I'm almost at 4,000 subscribers, so I appreciate it. Until next time, the Pull Up King.